This is how to reset Windows on the ROG Ally. In order to do this, there are two methods. One that can be done from Windows itself, and the other from the BIOS if you cannot access Windows. First, let's do the Windows one. Go to the Windows icon on the bottom left, hit it, go to Settings, search for Recovery. Here is this, Recovery Options. Then you will need to hit the Reset this PC option and choose Remove Everything. After this does a bit of removing everything, you will have to choose the option of Local Reinstall. The device will turn on and off a few times and then it will be as brand new. The main recommendation when doing this is to always have your device plugged in. Now to show you the BIOS way of resetting this device, you need to shut the device completely down by going to the Windows icon, then power option, and then shut down. Wait for the little white light to turn off completely. Now let's enter the BIOS menu. In order to do this, you need to press the power button and keep this button pressed continuously. So we're activating the power on, and now we're pressing the volume down button as often as we can. Okay, now we're in the BIOS. So now you go to the bottom to the advanced mode, then go to the right to advanced, and then hit A on ASUS Cloud Recovery. View policy, confirm the policy, hit next, connect to your local Wi-Fi network, and then confirm the install. Then the device will download Windows and it will flash completely like if it were brand new. Now you know how to reset Windows on the ROG Ally.